friends, welcome back to yet another video tutorial from Yo Crochet. Today you are going to see how to make this beautiful stitch, that is a front post double crochet or a back post double crochet. So let's begin. So we'll see how to make a front post double crochet. For the front post stitch, we require a base. For that, I have done a chain of 15 plus 3 chains as returning chain. So total 18 chains and worked once a double crochet into each of the stitch. So we have 16 double crochets including the first returning chain, chain 3. And I have started working 2 double crochets for the second row. Now for the front post, we will be working behind these stitches, not on top as we work our normal double crochets. For that, we will just go in between the stitches, go under that stitch and come out from the next gap. We will be working around this stitch. So for double crochet front post, we will yarn over, go in between the stitch, under the stitch and come out and work our normal double crochet as we work. Only difference is we are going under the stitch, not on top of the stitch. So yarn over, insert in between the gap, go under the stitch and come out through the next gap and work as normal double crochet. So here we have done 2 front post stitches. For showing you the difference between normal double crochet and the front post, I just did 2 double crochets in between. Again we'll work front post, so go in between the stitch, come out from the next gap by going under the stitch. So you can see that you are not working in the chain spaces, but you are working around the stitch. So going under the stitch, you will be working your normal double crochets. Again we will do once again, insert in between the gap, go under the stitch and complete your double crochet. So you can see a slight lift up is there. If you see on the other side, you can easily make the difference. Again, normal double crochets, we'll make 2. This stitch is mainly used for baby blankets, so you'll get a fluffiness for the pattern. Go under the stitch, work a normal stitch. The same pattern is used for any stitch. Only difference is you will be going under the stitch, for whether it is for single crochet, double crochet or triple crochet, whichever stitch it is. The only difference is you are going around the stitch, not on top of the stitch. I turned the work 3 double crochets. Now you can see that there is a gap here. The places where we worked are front post. Now let's see how to work back post double crochet. For that you will be yarning over. This time you will be inserting from the back side. So turn your work, insert in between the gap and go under the stitch. It's the same way, but you are working from the back side of our work. So this side it will be the same pattern, but on this side you can see the difference. Again, insert from behind, go under the stitch, yarn over and pull through and complete the stitch. Work front post. So go under the stitch. This is the difference between front post and back post. For back post, we will be inserting from behind and completing our double crochet. For the front post, we will be working from the front side. Only difference is the way you are inserting your hook. For back post, we will be going behind the work and inserting and completing the pattern. The stitch, whichever stitch you are doing, you will be completing. Just complete this round. So we'll just see once again how to work a front post and back post. Yarn over, insert in between the gaps, go under the stitch. This is our front post and complete the double crochet. Again yarn over, insert in between the space and go under the stitch. You will be working in this manner under the stitch and completing your front post. Now for the back post, you will be turning your work and again going under the stitch. So inserting in between the gaps, going under the stitch and completing your double crochet or whichever stitch you are doing. Yarn over, turn your work and insert under the stitch. So this is your back post. For front post, you will be inserting from the front side and completing the stitch. For the back, you will be turning your work, not completely turning, just tilting it little and working in this manner. You are not turning your work, just tilting. So go under the stitch, behind the stitch and again front post, you will be working from the front side. For the back, you will be just twisting, going under see, slight lift up for your stitch. And behind you can see this is a pattern which you can use for both sides. So normally this pattern is used for blankets, especially baby blankets. So you get a fluffiness for the blankets, a soft texture you will be getting because of the stitch. This pattern is also used for giving borders to your work. Hope you enjoyed making this stitch. Front post and the back post double crochet. Do write in your opinions and suggestions in the comment section. So until we meet with yet another project, Take care. Stay safe.